Send to Amazon or STA is the shipment creation workflow for fulfillment by Amazon or FBA. This streamlined workflow helps you ship your FBA products to Amazon fulfillment centers. To locate the STA page, open the Seller Central main menu, hover over Inventory, and click Manage FBA Shipments. You'll arrive at the Shipping Queue page, which provides the list of shipments you're working on and those you've already sent to Amazon. At the top of the Shipping Queue page, select Send to Amazon. The STA workflow has a total of 5 steps. However, the number of steps you need to complete depends on whether you're shipping boxes or pallets and your choice of carrier. You can learn about each step in the Send to Amazon workflow by searching for Send to Amazon in Seller Central.